Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a HP board for repair, and that is LA E791P. In this video I am going to show you a Vin section of N channel. Earlier I made a video on Vin section of P channel. So if you have not watched that video, you can click the I button here and you can watch it. Vin section of P channel, and this one is Vin section of N channel. So let's get started. Switch to the schematic, and there we will find how the N channel section work. So let's get started. So guys, you can see here is the circuit, and here we have PJP1, that is here. This is the PJP1. Let me zoom it a little bit. So this is PJP1 as it is written here, PJP1, and this red color is the 19 volts. I have not connected the power jack yet. Let me first show you on the schematic how it works. So here pin number 1 and 2, that is the red pin, is 19 volts, and the 19 volts travels from this lane here to here. Okay, after that it crosses these two coils if the coil is there on the board. So in this board, maybe the coils are behind. Let's see. Yes, you can see here. These are the two coils, PL12 and PL11. We are using a schematic. It is Rev 1.0 and board is 2.0. Okay, here you can see it is 2.0. so maybe there is a slight difference, but the components are same. If we take out the 2.0 schematic, definitely this could have been the coils, because there is a slight change in the schematic number. That is why it is not matching. Numbers are not matching, whereas almost 95% things are same. So consider this one, PL12 and PL13, which is not there here on this schematic. It is written as it is. It's mentioned at the red. That means it is not there. After it crosses these two coils, this 19 volts underscore ADPIN, that is our 19 volts. When the 19 volt is at this point, the name of this voltage is plus 19 volts underscore ADP in ADPIN. Once this crosses this, which is not there on this circuit, everywhere you can see at the red, it will become plus 19 volts underscore VIN. Okay, this is the pin number 1 and 2. Pin number 3 is ground. Pin number 4 we'll discuss later. It is not mentioned here. Maybe somewhere else it is mentioned. Pin number 4 they might have given somewhere. Pin number 5 is NC. You can see the cut mark here. And then we have pin number 6. Pin number 6 is adapter signal. That is very important. You can see here pin number 6 is connected here, that is adapter signal, and it goes through this line, which is later called adapter ID. If you go to 33 page, we will find controller. This goes to the controller, which recognizes that adapter is present. And then again there is another pin, which is pin number 7, charge LED. That also goes to the IO controller, charge LED. You can see here, this also goes to controller, that is pin number 33. It's a light which indicates the battery is charging or not charging. And then we have pin number 8, AC in LED. Once we connect the charger, this light glows on the adapter DC jack. You can see here, this is the light which glows when we connect the charger like this. You see, light is glowing. This is the AC inlet. After this, since we are into 19 volts N channel section, we will focus in that only. So here is the main thing we need to check, we need to copy it. From here, this point, it goes to, we need to search it. Here, it's selected here, but this voltage also present here. If you search, it is coming here, you see. So here is the main thing we need to understand. This is the section we were discussing today. First 19 volt will come to this point, that is this channel, this MOSFET, and it is N channel MOSFET. If you see on the board, it will be a big MOSFET and then there is a small MOSFET. Let me show you. So here you can see, this is the one, the big MOSFET. Let's zoom it little bit more. Yeah, so this is the PQB11 and this is PQB12. So here you can see on the schematic, it is PQB11 and PQB12. So this 19 volt will come here first, and then to cross this we need logic at the gate. Okay, and that logic will come from, let's see where it's coming from. Here, this way, and it is connected to the battery charging IC. The location of this one is PUB1. You can see on the physical board, here is the PUB1. So this is the charging IC. It is BQ24725A. So now, as soon as we connect the charger, this IC will also get 19 volts as a plus 19 volts Vin. That will come from here itself. The same voltage will come here and the same voltage will come this place. And if everything is okay in this IC, this 19 volt will go inside, and as soon as it goes inside, when the rest of the things are okay, it will releases AC drive, this voltage, this signal, that will be 25 volts. Here we'll get 25 volt, 25 volt at AC drive, and this 25 volt will go to gate of this MOSFET and this MOSFET. 25 volts will come to this both the MOSFET, because both of the MOSFETs are N channel. The indication of this N channel, the indication of the N channel of this MOSFET is, you can see the diode position is towards the gate, and here also it is towards the gate. Or else you can see here 04. Let me zoom it little bit. You can see here the arrow position is on the towards the gate. Here also it is towards the gate, and if you check the number, it is AON 7506. The last number is 6. Here also it is 4. That means it is a N channel. So once this 25 volts goes to this gate and this gate, this voltage will pass from here to this section. Okay, this will travel this side, then the name of the voltage will change. Here it was 19 plus 19 V underscore Vin. After it crosses these two MOSFETs, the name of this voltage changed to P2. Okay, and after it crosses this CLR, the big resistor, which you can see on the board, it is here. This one is the resistor, we call it CLR. It is PRB1. The number is mentioned here. Okay, this resistor belongs to charging side. This is the resistor which we are talking about now, that is CLR, Vin CLR, Vin section CLR. Okay, so as soon as it crosses the CLR, the name of the voltage again changes, and here you can see after this it is not available on the this board, but you can see here it is plus 19 volt plus 19 VB underscore CHG. So once this happens, our Vin section gets completed. We can check here whether we are getting 19 volts exactly or not. If any drop in 19 volts, then we must check whether our MOSFETs are okay or not, whether this charging section, whether this charging IC releasing the right voltage or not, and other things related to this IC and this CLR as well. Okay, the main important point is they can take this 19 volt as a source of voltage, or they can take it this P1. I forgot to mention this P1 also is the voltage name once it crosses from this place to this place. Okay, it's a P1, you can see here. Here is the P1. Here it is 19 plus 19 V underscore Vin, and here once it comes it becomes P1, and here it is a P2. Okay, so they may take P1 P2 plus 19 V underscore Vin, or this or this. Okay, once it crosses one point, the name changes, and based on requirement they take this voltage to the different sections. From here itself the voltage will be divided to all the section of the board. Okay, now let's see on the board physically. Let's connect the charger. So I have connected the charger. Now let's measure the voltage. As you can see here, the light is glowing. Now let's check whether we are getting the right voltage or not. So this is the drain side of the N channel. You can see 19 volt is coming, and we must get 25 volts at the gate of this MOSFET. So here is the gate. You can see 25 volt is coming. If this 25 volt come, then this 19 volt will, exact 19 volts will pass. Then it will go to second MOSFET, that is the same thing again, N channel. If we check it at the source, because source is connected to this source, that is 19 volts. Now we'll check at the gate. You can see it is 25 volt, and if both are okay, then we will get exactly 19 volts, and then this circuits gets completed. If you check the CLR, we will have the 19 volts, 19.13 exactly. This side as well as this side, we are getting is same voltage. There is a milli amp milli voltage would drop here, but it is not visible in this right now. So this circuit is completed because the 25 volt is functioning properly from this BQIC. Okay, so guys, after that this 19 volts will be distributed to different sections, and our 19 volt section of N channel completes here. So in this video only this much, guys. Hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.